Want to turn your customer data into automated, high-converting marketing that sells for you? Let's take a quick look at how Klaviyo integrates with the FasTrax retail suite, including loyalty, e-commerce, and POS system. It starts with Loyal and Save. Every time a customer signs up, earns points, makes a purchase, or redeems a reward, those events get automatically synced to Klaviyo. No manual work. Just real-time data that you can use to send targeted texts, emails, or push notifications. Let's say a customer just earned points. In seconds, you can trigger a "Congrats, you've earned rewards" automated message. Or, if somebody hasn't shopped in 30 days, you can automatically send a win-back offer. It's all event-based and it's fast. And it gets even better. If you're using FTx POS and e-commerce, Klaviyo sees in-store and online purchases, abandoned carts, birthday dates, all in one platform. That means no more messy data. One customer, one unified profile, all the marketing tools ready to go. With Klaviyo plus FasTrax, you're not just marketing, you're automating smarter, faster, and more profitably. Want to see it in action? Let's book your demo today.